नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम सुमेश छाबड़ा है एंड मैं इंदौर से बिलोंग करता हूँ। एंड बाय प्रोफेशन आई एम इनटू लाइफ कोचिंग। आई एम अ बिहेवियरल ट्रेनर, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स ट्रेनर, हीलर एंड फेस हीलर। सुदीप्ति से मिलने के पहले लाइफ में ऐसा लगता था कि कुछ करा ही नहीं है एंड नेगेटिविटी वाली जो पार्ट था दिमाग में कि वो बहुत आया था। एंड अभी आप सभी देख रहे हैं कि लॉकडाउन का टाइम चल रहा है एंड कई लोगों की जॉब्स छूट चुकी हैं, कई लोग बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेशन में आ गए हैं। उस केस में भी मैं डिप्रेशन में आ चुका था, कहीं ना कहीं आया था डिप्रेशन में। बट सुदीप्ति से मिलने के बाद में, उनके सेशन अटेंड करने के बाद में ये इतना गारंटी मुझे हो गया है कि जो भी मेरे दिमाग में मेरी नेगेटिविटीज़ थी वो अभी पॉजिटिविटी में कन्वर्ट हो रही हैं। और उनके सेशन में उन्होंने उन पॉइंट्स को टच किया है जो हमारी डे टू डे लाइफ में हमेशा मुझसे इंट्रैक्शन करते रहते हैं। उनका एक वर्ड था कि अगर आप जितना पॉजिटिविटी यूनिवर्स में भेजेंगे उतनी ही पॉजिटिविटी आपको रिटर्न में मिलने वाली है। सो मेरा ये भी मानना है कि वो जो बोल रही थी, उन्होंने जो बोला है उससे डेफिनेटली मेरी लाइफ तो चेंज होएगी। एंड उसके बाद में उनके सेशंस जिन लोगों ने पहले अटेंड करे हुए हैं उनकी लाइफ में भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें अभी चेंजेस आया है। और उन्होंने एक काम दिया है कि 21 दिन तक हमें उनके वर्ड्स फॉलो करना है और उन वर्ड्स को फॉलो करने के बाद में गारंटीड है ये कि लाइफ इंसान की चेंज हो जाएगी। सो मैं खुद चाहूँगा कि इस सुदीप्ति के सेशंस को मेरे जितने फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं वो भी अटेंड करें और जितने मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं वो भी इसे अटेंड करें। बट ये है कि सुदीप्ति का इन्वॉल्वमेंट इतना था उस ट्रेनिंग में मुझे मिला है कि हमें लग रहा था कि 2 घंटा हमारा कहाँ निकल गया हमें मालूम पड़ा ही नहीं है। एंड मैंने उन्हें रिक्वेस्ट किया हुआ है कि ऐसे वो और सेशंस करें और हम लोगों को और इन्वॉल्व करें, हमें और इन्वाइट करें। हम डेफिनेटली उनके सेशंस को अटेंड करेंगे और उससे उनका फ़ायदा लेने वाले हैं। थैंक यू।
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ सुमित जोशी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ सुदीप्ति जी को। आफ्टर योर सेशन सुदीप्ति जी, मैनी चेंजेस इन माय लाइफ, लाइक कि जब मैं आपकी सेशन अटेंड करता हूँ उसके बाद जो पॉजिटिविटी मेरे अंदर मैं फील करता हूँ या जो चेंजेस आप मुझे बोलते हैं कि आपको अपनी लाइफ में लाना चाहिए, जो एक्टिविटीज़ आप कराते हैं वो मेरी लाइफ में काफ़ी इम्पैक्ट डालते हैं। और मैं रियली ये फील करता हूँ कि हाँ, मुझ में कुछ पॉजिटिविटी आई है आफ्टर योर सेशन। एंड आपके सेशन काफ़ी बेनिफिट्स होते हैं उसमें। अगर कोई भी पर्सन चाह रहा है कि उसको किसी सिचुएशन से निकलना है तो आपके सेशन ज़रूर लें और मे बी उसकी लाइफ में मैजिक होगा, एज यू से। तो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
Hi, I am Radha. Today I have attended a wonderful and motivational training program, that is I Can Win, a life-changing workshop by Sudipti ma'am. Before this workshop, I have more negativity and self-doubts about myself. After this session, automatically I got changes in my thought process and confidence and positivity. Thank you Sudipti ma'am, because of your workshop only I overcome from my negativity and self-doubts. Definitely I will become winner in my life. Finally, I recommend it. Anybody wants to change your thought process or you have to overcome from your negativity, please attend this workshop. It is very useful and motivational training program. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, hi, my name is Shivani and today I just want to share a few thoughts about my dear friend, magical friend Sudipti. I actually know Sudipti from my school days, but then somehow we lost connection, and then few days back, thanks to the universe, the universe got me connected to Sudipti again. And before I start talking about Sudipti or for the workshop I attended today, I just want to thank Sudipti for this lovely workshop which she made me attend it today. Thank you, Sudipti. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So this workshop which I'm talking about, which I attended today, though I was 1 hour late because of the time difference, I'm in Cairo right now. So this workshop actually came as a eye opener for me. Eye opener in a way that this told me how our thoughts can change our life, and to do these things, and to not things, I mean to change our life, it is very important to change our thoughts. And to change our thoughts, it is very important that we love ourselves. And Sudipti actually taught me how to love myself. She's the only one who actually made me realize that you can love yourself too. I mean, you have to keep yourself first, and you start loving your bacha. So I started loving my bacha more and more, and I'm getting better and better after talking to Sudipti, after listening to her, and after attending this workshop. And also I feel it is not only us who keep telling ourselves no for everything. I mean, how do I explain this? It is like that we are the only one who keeps saying no to ourselves. No, I cannot do this. No, I'm not good in this. No, I'm not good in writing. No, I'm not good in reading. No, I'm not good in cooking. It is only we who keep saying no to ourselves. So after this workshop, I realized, after Sudipti explained me in this workshop, that how we are ourselves the biggest enemy. So people, please don't do this. I was doing it. Please don't do that to yourself. Start saying yes from today. Yes, I can. Yes, I am getting better and better. And now I want to talk about Sudipti's involvement in the workshop. She was actually personally involved with everyone, with each one of us, I must say. She was reading all the text sent by all of us. She didn't even miss out one. She was like personally involved with each one of us. And not like other workshops where people don't even know कि कितने लोग workshop attend कर रहे हैं. So but Sudipti was totally involved with each one of us, and the effort she put in her workshop, I must say, that is like commendable. She worked so hard. She explained you each and everything to the minute, where you really understand. Yes, I mean, she doesn't talk illogical. Whatever she says, she has a logic behind. So guys, please, if you have any struggle in your life, in any way, talk to my dear friend, Magical Sudipti. Love you, Sudipti.
Hello everyone, I am Siddharaju Paramashiva from Mysore. Just I want to share my views and the experience which we got from today's training hosted by Sudipti Rastogi. Come on friends, till today we are unable to view or know our goals. We don't know what's our goals, and there is nothing which we know by ourselves. How? That is the funda. I can win, which is the today's topic. Amazing topic, really mind-blowing. See friends, all of us wants to achievements. All of us wants to appreciation. All of us wants comfortable lifestyle, peace of mind, and the way which we can create by ourselves by removing blocks, the blocks, negative blocks. How can we remove our negative blocks and how can we achieve our goals? Moreover, how can we understand by ourselves? Because we need to understand first by ourselves. We are the child. We are the children. So to reach, to understand, to practice and perfect practice. Till yesterday, I was completely forgotten the technique and I was totally blind. How can we control the situation? What are all the possibilities? What are all the ways? After attending, how we can do, how we can conduct ourselves, how can we train our brain? This is first the thought focus, and all these things will be trained by Sudipti Rastogi, a well-known personality development trainer, life coach, and a transformation coach. Really wonderful personality. Friends, this is my views. Please join and learn and train your brain. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Hey everyone, this is Neetu Chetanwar. I'm your language trainer, parenting and a memory coach. And today I'm making this video to share a wonderful experience of mine from a recently attended workshop by Sudipti Rastogi. The workshop was full of knowledge about life, about being positive, about staying happy, how to eliminate your negative thoughts, how to replace your negative thoughts instantly to the positive ones. I know you must be thinking that we already know a lot of stuff about being positive and staying positive. Why to attend such workshops? This is what I was actually thinking before I got myself registered in this workshop. But something motivated me, because we all know somewhere deep inside that whatever we keep hearing from here and there, we don't practice it, we don't follow it, because we don't know how to follow it. What we know is just, okay, it has been said that stay positive, be positive, keep yourself positive. So we just hear that and we just put an end, full stop to it. But it's not the end, because it is equally important to do the right thing at the right time, and that is to under the direction or the guidance of the right person. That is what more important is. And we all know that how much positivity we all need at this point of time. But the best part and the exceptional part about this workshop was that how to do that, how actually we can put this into application, how we can inculcate such habits which can prove to be really, really fruitful in our life, how we can create self-love, what kind of thoughts we need to create if we really want to accomplish our goals, if we really want to be successful. So that is what all we learned in this workshop. And Sudipti is excellent at her work. She was so interactive. She engages you like anything. She had number of activities wherein you feel involved and you get to know, and you may be surprised after attending it that yes, it was there and we didn't know that. So I strongly recommend this workshop, and I really want everybody to go ahead with this and enroll or register yourself for this workshop. And Sudipti, I wish you all the best for all your future